EURUSD continued pushing higher, as shown in the previous weekly outlook. For this week, the momentum could resume after forming a considerable correction. The weakness in the US dollar after the CPI news pushed euro back to the zone last seen in February 2023. As a result, investors anticipate this pair because it could test the 1.149 level, which is the 2022 high. In the weekly price of this pair, the price is trading above the flat 200-period simple moving average for the first time since December 2022. Moreover, the 20-period SMA showed a bullish crossover above the 100 SMA, while the current RSI is near the overbought zone. Based on the weekly technical tools, the upward pressure is potent, and bulls can extend the momentum in the coming days. EURUSD has been trading higher for the last 7 consecutive trading days. As a result, upward exhaustion is present, and downside pressure may come soon due to profit-taking. The coming trading days will be crucial as a sideways or corrective downside pressure could indicate significant sellers' presence in the market. Technical indicators have reached the overbought area, which signals a possible downside momentum in the price without any clue. On the other hand, a bullish possibility is possible as the current price shows a stable momentum above rising moving averages. EURUSD will likely extend the current trend towards the 1.130 level in the coming trading days. On the other hand, the near-term support level is at the 1.118 level, which needs to break before reaching the 1.100 psychological level.